Let's explore another problem of abuses of percentages with shifting reference values. Here, a politician promises, if elected, I will cut your taxes by 10% for each of the first 3 years of my term, for a total cut of 30%. Let's evaluate this promise and determine, is it really true? We will organize our work in a table to show how your taxes change over the 3 years. The rows represent years, and the columns are labeled year, tax paid in previous year, 10% of previous year's tax, and new tax this year. Let's suppose you currently pay $1,000 in taxes. The politician promised a 10% tax cut each year. So we'll find 10% of 1,000, which is 100, and we'll subtract that from 1,000 to find out that we would only be paying $900 in taxes the first year. So that's going to be our new reference value for year 2. And 10% of $900 is $90. When we take that away from 900, we would be paying $810 in taxes for year 2. So our new reference value for year 3 is the $810. 10% of that is $81, and our difference would be $729 in taxes that we would pay for year 3. So over the 3 years, your taxes are going to decline by the $729 for a difference of $271. Keep in mind, over the 3 years, you're saving that $271 of the $1,000, which is approximately 27.1% tax cut and not a 30% tax cut, which this politician promised.